Dear friends of delta4x4 and dear X-Class drivers, I have the big honor to present you our, I think, last product for the Mercedes, because Mercedes Benz decided to stop the production of the X-Class. And so I show you our Bilstein lift kit with 4 shock absorbers, front and rear, and springs front and rear, and some components of the lift kit are from delta4x4, and it gets delivered with QV, QV certificate, and I think it's the last present for the Mercedes X-Class, but I think that's worth it. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Stay tuned.